Hey guys, so this video will be a little bit different than what we normally post. We don't really have an agenda, we don't really have places to visit or things that we're doing, but in this video we still wanted to share it because it shows what bus life was for us, what we did traveling, and maybe even some things that we stopped along the way to see. So we still wanted to share with you guys what on the road living looks like. So I hope you enjoy it and check it out.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes.
We are at a laundromat here in Franklin, Tennessee. Fun fact, this is the first time for Nathan and the first time for me for ever being at a laundromat. So we paid about $6 to wash our clothes and about $1.50 to dry them. I did not know it cost that. I was surprised. But luckily we brought plenty of quarters, so we were totally good with that. But now we're just sitting here waiting, editing some videos, and waiting for our clothes to dry.
I love you! I love you! What? I love you! We just filled up our water cooler at twice the ice. I've never heard of this. But we just paid $1.75 and it came out in bulk. We put our cooler underneath there. And I have never been to them, but apparently pretty popular maybe over here in the east.
Here we are, date night in the Walmart parking lot. We got ourselves some ice cream, some nutty bars, and some cosmic brownies. And we're gonna watch a movie and go to bed.
Sugar overload.
I'm in heaven right now.
This is our first time at Five Below. Didn't even know this store existed. We are gonna get some warheads and try them. I also love puzzles, and I found this fun one. I'm excited to do.
Alright, how do you get, how do cell phones get around?
Cell towers.
They're mobile. These are so dumb.
Let me hear the next one.
Why do computers need insurance? In case the hard drive crashes.
Oh. That one, okay. What does a cold stereo play?
Ice Ice Baby?
I thought that, but no, cool music.
So dumb.
Why was the pencils joke bad? Because it had no point. Next up, warheads. Lemon and apple.
Haven't had these in like years.
My mouth, you know, in the back.
It's already watering.
I know. Oh
I can click on command, but that's how much my mouth's watering. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1. But when I get something sour, I can.
I like them.
Oh my gosh. If you can't drive, take it out.
Holy! I gotta pull over. I'm only going like 15 miles an hour. We're on a back road. Oh my!
I told you.
I have 3 in my mouth right now.
Okay, but 2 don't have any more sour stuff.
Holy.
That one's sour, huh? I thought lemon was gonna
maybe it's because we've already had one.
Maybe.
It does say having multiple in a row can cause sore mouth. From Ohio to Indianapolis, that's where we're going today. We stopped at Grandpa's Cheese Barn and Sweetie's Chocolates. It is in Ohio, so we're gonna go try some Buckeyes chocolate, but they also have the cheese, homemade ice cream.
We're gonna do it all. Just kidding, we don't know.
I'm excited.
Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. I will scream from the highest mountain. I will love like there's nothing in my way.
Our first ever Ohio Buckeyes. Homemade from Sweetie's. She let us try some Buckeye fudge and it was delicious.
Don't worry about the clouds. 'Cause
I'm so excited. My mouth's watering. Watching this. Is it just like it or is it better?
It's like our Reese's, but better.
Smooth?
It's like different textures. It's good.
give me that sunshine. Bring on the summertime.
It's really good. I expected it to be like too much peanut butter once you look out, but it's delicious. So originally Nathan was joking when he said we're gonna just buy everything.
Okay, it's not. It doesn't seem like a lot, but I got some breakfast. I'll show you.
It was all of our weaknesses. Nathan's meat and cheese. They had so many selections of meat and cheese, and like crazy flavors too. Like we tried a maple
bacon cheddar, and it kind of tasted more like maple than anything. So it was like almost a sweet cheese.
It was
good,
very
though.
sweet.
Like they're good for crackers, I think.
That's true. And then we also tried a bacon ranch one.
And it was really good. We got that one.
So Nathan bought that one. And then we tried our Buckeyes, and I had to get more so we could share with our families because they're so delicious, and in case we run out. And they're mini ones, so they're so cute. Here's our mini ones. Our big ones. Smoky bacon and creamy ranch. And the hot dogs, the cheddar links. This honestly was pretty expensive, but
About $40 in total.
but it's delicious.
Supporting local.
Also, fun fact about there, they had some games, they had some pictures.
It's like a freaking amusement park there.
They have music playing, ice cream, jams, jellies, t-shirts. They have lots inside the store as well, but they also, the grandpa, I saw a picture of him, and then I looked around and he was there in the store. So it was really cool because it is locally owned and locally ran, and they have 2 locations. This one was in Ashland, and then the other one is in Norton, Ohio, and they said the grandpa's granddaughter, right?
Yes.
She owns that one, so it's smaller, but it's got
the best of the best.
it's got the best there. So this one was the bigger one, and the main one in Ashland is where we are. So super fun. Go check it out. It's awesome.
Bring on the summertime.
You can't really see, but the keys are there. And the door is locked.
But we're smart. I kept a little spare key to open the back door in the back, so we're good.
Also, this cute gas station in Missouri is giving out free t-shirts, free drinks, and free food. We missed out on the free food because we got here too late, but it was fun.
Yeah.
So tonight we actually planned on staying in like Omaha, maybe a little past. We just didn't know how far we'd be road tripping. We are stopped at a Walmart. Do you know where we are?
Sioux City.
Sioux City, Iowa.
Iowa,
Nebraska. We're in Nebraska?
Nebraska.
Did you get a video?
I did.
Oh, thank the heavens. Okay, so we are in Sioux City, Nebraska at a Walmart. Go outside. It is so hot. Look at the weather. It's like
10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's like 10 p.m. We've been used to hot weather, okay? But right now it's like a weather warning, hot weather warning. All like the next 2 days or something. And so sleeping in the bus without AC sounds terrible. So we are gonna continue to drive until it's at least a little cooler. What temperature was it outside?
89, feels like 95.
I think it was 83.
No, it was not 83.
Was it?
It's 89.
89, but real feel was 95 degrees at 10 p.m. because of the humidity and the heat warning. So we could not sleep in this 95 degree weather in our bed. So we're gonna keep driving and hopefully it will cool down. Now it's like 11 p.m. We are in South Dakota.
Don't worry about
Sorry guys, my delusional sleepy self, I stopped videoing for the rest of the night. It was way late when we finally got into South Dakota. We stopped and filled up our tires with some air before finding a Walmart to stay the night at. It was slightly cooler, like a couple degrees, but we just had to sleep in the heat and do what we could. So we will now explore Badlands tomorrow, so we are excited to show you that. So stay tuned, and we are glad you're here. Tell us what you thought about this different kind of new video in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
clouds, 'cause when the skies come out, give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine.
We are stopped at a Walmart. Do you know where we are?
Sioux City.
Sioux City, Iowa.
Iowa, Nebraska.
Nebraska. We're in Nebraska?
Nebraska.
Did you get a video?
I did.
Oh, thank the heavens. Thank you.